Have you ever found yourself in a situation where suddenly your relatives, friends, or close ones stop giving you importance and start ignoring you? Maybe during an occasion or a hangout, your friends whisper behind your back, saying things like, "Bro, what's he doing here?" And you might wonder, I haven't done anything wrong to them. Just a few days ago, we had so much fun together. So why are they treating me like this all of a sudden? The reason is they have realized you are nothing but a loser. From your behavior, your attitude, your overall presence, they don't see the maturity of a grown man. Instead, they only keep you around as a temporary option. If you have faced these problems in your life, then today's video is only for you. Because if you follow all these tips that I will share here for the next 30 days, you will notice a huge change. You will no longer feel like a loser, unattractive, or annoying guy. Instead, you will start discovering yourself as an attractive, charming, and positive person. So don't skip any part of this short video, because it's going to work like a game changer for you. So tip number 1, fix your body structure. The very first thing people notice about someone is their face and body structure. Let me be very clear. Nobody naturally feels drawn to someone who is extremely skinny or overly overweight. Why? Because from them, you usually don't get any positive vibe, just the impression of a tired, worn-out body. If you're struggling with this issue, the solution is regular exercise. Instead of wasting hours scrolling Facebook or Instagram feeds, you give yourself at least 30 to 45 minutes a day. When you exercise, your body's testosterone level increases. Testosterone helps build muscle, reduce unnecessary fat, and makes your body look stronger and attractive. It also helps to repair the damage you may have caused to your body due to excessive fapping. And I'm sure you already know, people who speak with deep voice automatically create stronger impression on others. Higher testosterone level make your voice deeper too. You don't need any fancy equipment to start exercising. You can try simple workout like dumbbell lifting 4 sets, 13 repetition, push-ups 3 sets, 12 repetition, sit-ups 3 sets, 12 repetition. If you don't have any dumbbells at home, you can even use bricks or any other heavy objects. So tip number 2, fix your face structure. Look brother, by staying up late at night endlessly, scrolling Instagram and Facebook reels, you have probably damaged your face without even realizing it. The truth is, proper sleep is extremely important for us. Every person needs at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep at night. If you don't get that, and lack of sleep continues for a long time, then dark circles start forming under your eyes, and your face begins to break out with acne. And when people around you see you in that condition, forget about talking with you. They won't even feel like coming close to you. So brother, don't ruin your sleep for reals. Make it a habit to get at least 7 to 8 hours of proper rest every night. Also, if your gut health isn't good, pimples will appear too. That's why you need to drink at least 4 liters of water every day. This keeps your digestive system clean and helps stop breakouts. Also, staying hydrated gradually reduces those dark circles under your eyes. Tip number 3, follow a healthy diet. The things I told you in tip number 1 and 2 won't work if you don't follow a healthy diet. Eating oily foods or drinking alcohol not only brings pimples back to your face, but also increases body fat. These foods make your digestive system unhealthy, lower your testosterone levels, and even increase the risk of liver damage. That's why you must avoid sugary foods, oily dishes, junk foods, and alcohol. Instead, replace them with protein-rich meals, fresh vegetables, and fruits. Because these contain essential nutrients like vitamin D3, zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B complex, all of which help maintain a healthy body and a better face structure. And brother, the most important tip is tip number 4, stop fapping. Fapping is the biggest enemy of your life. The energy your body produces every single moment, you keep releasing it through fapping, and the effects clearly show on your face. Your skin loses firmness, your face starts sagging, and you begin to look a 50-year-old uncle. On YouTube, you will find plenty of videos where people try to present fapping just a normal habit. But the reality is, you're destroying the most valuable strength of your youth. You're lowering your testosterone levels. The result? You lose interest in studies, work, and self-growth. Now think about it. Why would your friends want to hang out with a loser? So it's not too late. Never fap again. Say a complete no to this habit from today. Stop wasting your precious energy and start preserving it for yourself. So brothers, in this video I have shared only 4 life-changing tips. I'm sure you want people to value you, to feel drawn to you, and to see you as an important person in their lives. But remember, if the things inside your body and mind are weak, then the impact will always show on the outside too. That's why brothers, try following these 4 tips I have shared today consistently for the next 30 days with patience. You will gradually discover yourself as a positive, confident, and attractive man. That's all for today. Stay well, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.